Well, today I'm going to talk about the universal rental car in Orlando and Miami and increasing profits using a cost-based pricing strategy. Here is my final result. It shows a high profit in these two cities, so I think my strategy may be suitable for the universal rental car. In this simulation, the first thing I need to know is the demand at different times, because different demands will lead to different costs. When I kept the price unchanged for 12 months, I found that the two cities had different demands in different months, as shown in this figure. After securing the demand, the next step is to calculate the cost. As the chart shows, rental costs are about 38 per car in Orlando and 43 in Miami. Therefore, the total revenue per car in these two cities must be higher than these two numbers to generate revenue. I will start with my pricing strategy in Orlando. To determine the effect of price on order quantity, I compared the data for July and October, since August and September are low demand months. The results of using these 2 months can vary greatly. The final result shows the relationship between price and orders. So we can make a table like this to figure out which price is going to make a good profit. As you can see, price between 46 and 53 will bring a good profit on weekdays and 43 to 46 on weekends. So I raised the price in November. The final result profit has increased, but the order fluctuates quite big. So it is not recommended to raise the price substantially in the future. Since December is a month of low customer demand, I kept the price unchanged. On the other hand, to ensure our income. On the other hand, to reduce the impact of frequent price fluctuations on consumers. After December, I raised the price by another $1 until September to make more profit. Besides, I reduced the size of the fleet to cut inventory costs. Let's take a look at the universal rent car in Miami. The $1 price increase in October still led to an increase in orders, but it lost 4% of the market share. So we can assume that if we keep the original price, there will be more orders. So we can calculate the difference between the price increase and the original price. The final result shows the relationship between prices and orders. We can make a price list to find a good price in Miami, as can be seen from the two charts. 48 to 54 is a good price for weekdays, while 39 to 48 is a good price for weekends. So in November, I raised the price to test the consumers' reaction to the price. The results showed that profits improved in November. Orders fluctuated less. It is recommended to raise prices substantially. After December, I raised the price again to ensure more revenue. On the other hand, I changed the size of the fleet to reduce inventory costs. Overall, from this simulation that we can know that finding the better profit point based on cost is a good idea, but there are a few things we need to pay attention to. First, a period of high demand doesn't mean you can raise prices at will, while a period of low demand doesn't mean you will lose money. Second, maintain prices stability can help companies increase the trust of customers. Reducing the impact of prices on consumers will also help companies make more profits. Although the final data shows a good result, there are also some limitations. First, the plan is based on our competitor always following our prices, which will reduce the impact of huge price differences on consumer choice. If our competitors lower their prices, they will make a big difference for us. which may cause Universal to lose many consumers. Second, overpricing can also affect brand influence, customer loyalty, and customer satisfaction. Well, this is my presentation. Thank you.